Hello and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the TMP group. My name is Tom and today is Tuesday. It's the 22nd of March, 2022. And got a good one for you today. Super happy that you hopped in. Have an opportunity to comment on or talk about two of the major holdings in the TMP group, two core holdings, if you will, and two of my absolute favorite stocks. Both companies have been in for quite some time, and just super excited about the news that we received today on both of these companies. If you do like what you hear today, I would ask that you hit the like button. It helps get this video out to more people, helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Share it with your friends and family. I also have to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing that you hear from myself or any other members that may or may not be on this channel. None of us are financial planners, financial advisors. We're not licensed brokers. We're simply individuals that are in the market. We're looking to build long-term wealth. So nothing that we say should ever be construed as advice to buy, sell, or hold stock. I just want to try to give you some information, point you in the same direction that I'm going, and you decide if it's right for you. Okay, so what am I talking about? I'm talking about Nvidia, NVDA, the semiconductor chip maker, and I am talking about Lucid, LCID, the technology EV maker. Today, big news came out. We know that it is Investor Week, and today was Investor Day for Nvidia. They made some announcements. In fact, the keynote speaker, the CEO, Jensen Huang, I am going to leave a link to his full keynote speech in the description. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. It's well worth watching. It was amazing to see all the technology and what they're bringing forth. But different partners, if you would, and different collaborators with Nvidia have been talking today. And one of the things that was brought up or that was made mention is that Nvidia is in collaboration with Lucid. Lucid Technologies and Nvidia, a match made in heaven. So Nvidia says that its new Drive Hyperion 9 platform, which is set to hit vehicles in 2026, it is the platform that acts as the central nervous system of self-driving, or its self-driving technology. And it's made up of a litany of sensors that help a car see the surroundings. It has 14 cameras, 9 radars, 3 LiDAR sensors, it's got 20 ultrasonic sensors, as well as 3 cameras and 1 radar inside the vehicle. So self-driving capability, they have this rated at a 0 to 5 scale. 0 meaning that the driver inside the vehicle, as I am right now, is in full control of the vehicle, and a 5 is where the vehicle is in full control of the vehicle itself, driving on its own without assistance. The chip giant Nvidia says that their sensors, coupled with its Drive Alton computer, gets the car driving up to a level 4. So out of 0 to 5, it gets it up to a level 4. And basically that means that it can drive itself. So think about self-driving taxis. Now down here in Arizona, we have Waymo. We see them on the streets all the time in Tempe, Arizona. They still have a driver in the vehicle, but for all intents and purposes, they are self-driving. This vehicle that I'm sitting in right now is a 2021 Power Wagon 75th Anniversary Edition. It has self-driving or self-driver assisted capabilities. I'd put this at probably a level 1 or a level 2. And Nvidia is talking about their system bringing it to a level 4. Okay, as for the deal with Lucid, LCID, Nvidia says that the automaker is using the Hyperion platform in current vehicles, so it's already using that in current vehicles, and plans to use it in future autos, including Project Gravity. Now, if you follow Lucid, Project Gravity is the EV SUV that's supposed to release next year, in 2024. So Nvidia will continue to have its chips and its driver assistance programs in Lucid, not only with the Lucid Air, the Air Dream, all trims, but when they bring out the Gravity. So There's a lot to look forward to with this collaboration between NVIDIA and Lucid Technologies. Now, NVIDIA's platform does provide Lucid with advanced driver assistance technology as well as over-the-air updates. And they did stress the over-the-air updates as being very key, because just like our cell phones, they get updates. And I really don't like necessarily coming into my phone and hitting the updates, but with the cars, there will be over-the-air updates. So as NVIDIA improves, the over-the-air updates will automatically hit the Lucid vehicles. That's huge, right? It's huge. So here's a quote from Lucid's Senior VP of Digital. His name is Mike Bell. He said in a statement today, he said, "The seamless integration of software-defined NVIDIA Drive platform provides a powerful basis for Lucid's to further enhance what Dream Drive can do in the future, all of which can be delivered to vehicles over the air." Again, they hit on that a couple of times. Back to NVIDIA. NVIDIA's automotive arm does not, I repeat, it does not generate nearly the revenue that the graphics or the data center business does. In fact, in its last fiscal year, NVIDIA reported automotive sector revenue of 566 million with an M, 566 million. Now, its data center and gaming business, meanwhile, generated 10.61 billion with a B. So, and 12.46. So 10.6 billion in the data center and 12.46 billion in the gaming center, game business, respectively. So the 566 million is a mere pittance compared to the 10 and the 12 billion. Still, as more firms adopt the chip maker's offerings, its automotive business could add significantly to the bottom line, as it could be as significant as the gaming and business centers. All right. Again, this is purely for informational and educational purposes, not financial advice. I'm super excited about NVIDIA and Lucid teaming up. Just makes sense. Lucid is definitely on the cutting edge. Its C-suite, its ownership, its designers, everyone on their team are of high caliber. They have great pedigrees. And now knowing that NVIDIA rolls with Lucid and they will continue to roll with them in the future, just makes me more convicted on both of these companies. I like to own the company in the form of a stock. When buying or selling or trading a stock, we should always look at the company. Have it be a company we understand. Have it be a company that we have high conviction on. So in days where it goes red, now NVIDIA closed in the red today. Lucid had a strong pop, but NVIDIA closed in the red. I still have a price target set and a very short-term price target with NVIDIA to 275 to 280. I see it over a $300 stock very shortly. And in the next 12 months, I think we can reach the 350 level. Lucid still has a ways to go, but if you take a look at a Lucid chart and compare it to Tesla, at its infantile stage, Lucid is doing the same thing Tesla was doing, and we can still buy Lucid in the 20s right now, 20s and soon to be 30s. So what do? We want to buy more of these. We think that they are great add-ons to our portfolio. We're super excited about it. Do your homework, do your research, and create that wealth chain. If you're not part of a wealth chain already, start it. Start it with $50, $500, $5,000. Doesn't matter, just start it so you have some generational wealth to pass on to your posterity, whoever that might be. Leave the world a better place. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope that your portfolios were as green as mine were today. In fact, I was only red in one spot today, and that was NVIDIA. Everything else was up. Sure hope that you do hit the like button if you already haven't done it on the way out, and hit the subscribe and share. And I do hope to see you on the next video.